Guys, creating AI videos is getting easier, but many tools still make the process feel too technical. You write a prompt, wait for the result, fix the instructions, generate again, and suddenly one simple video turns into a whole production mess. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're looking at Drama.Land, an AI native video creation platform where you create videos by talking to a creative assistant called Dolly. It combines video generation, storytelling, lip sync, music, and motion tools in one workspace. Also, mates, I have an exclusive invite code for you. After signing up, redeem it in the Task Center to get 1000 free credits. The code has limited redemptions, so check the description while it's still active. In this video, we'll create a commercial-style promo for a coffee shop, from cinematic coffee shots to a speaking barista and final edit. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's get into it. Alright folks, let's start inside Drama.Land. Before creating the first project, I'll quickly open the Tools section, because this is where the platform structure becomes clear. We can see different tools for video, cinematic storytelling, music, lip sync, motion control, and more. This setup is practical because video creation usually gets messy when every step lives in a different service. One tool for visuals, another for lip sync, music, and then a separate editor to combine everything. Here, the goal is to keep more of the creative process in one workspace. Guys, for this demo, I'm going into the video category, choosing the cinematic and storytelling direction, and opening Video Studio. This is where we'll build our coffee shop promo. Inside Video Studio, we can talk to Dolly, the AI creative assistant. The goal is simple: create an aesthetic commercial video for a coffee shop, showing the drink preparation process through the eyes of a professional barista. For the first shot, I asked Dolly to create a realistic macro shot of coffee beans falling into a grinder, with warm morning light, a soft blurred background, and a premium coffee shop atmosphere. And folks, in the settings, I can choose the aspect ratio, decide whether I want an image or video, select a model, and control the quality. For this test, I'll keep part of the workflow on auto, because I want to see how Dolly handles the creative decisions. One useful detail here is that Dolly doesn't immediately start rendering blindly. It analyzes the request and prepares a production package. Friends, it can choose the model, suggest the duration, set a cinematic 16:9 format, and show the credit cost before generation. That makes the process easier to control, because I can review the setup before spending credits. Next, folks, I confirm the setup and click Generate Video. After a short wait, the first coffee shot is ready. We get the warm close-up feeling, beans, grinder, soft morning light, and a clear cinematic mood. For an opening shot, this works well because it gives the video texture and atmosphere right away. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now, instead of starting a new project from scratch, I keep working in the same conversation with Dolly. I ask for the next shot, this time with smooth camera movement showing the coffee preparation process, the espresso machine, the cup, and the liquid pouring in a clean, dynamic way. This conversational workflow is useful because I don't have to rewrite the whole project context. I can simply continue the story, and Dolly understands that we're still working on the same coffee shop promo. After the second shot is generated, we have more movement and a clearer sense of the drink being prepared. Next, mates, let's make the video more personal. I upload a static photo of a barista and ask Dolly to turn it into a speaking barista scene while keeping the same cinematic style as the previous shots. I also give the barista a short line, something like this. Dolly breaks this into a production package. First, it registers the uploaded photo as an asset, then it creates the TTS audio for the spoken line. After that, it prepares the lip sync workflow using the barista image and the generated voice. Guys, this is usually the kind of step that adds friction to video production. Manually, I'd need separate tools for the image, voice, lip sync, and final editing. Here, Dolly shows the steps and handles them as one connected process. If the production package looks good, I confirm it. After processing, the speaking barista clip is ready.
The secret to a perfect brew is patience and precision. And those the patience and know it out precision.
As you can see, my friends, the facial movement, voice, and visual style work together clearly enough for a first commercial draft. I would still review the final version before publishing, but as a starting point, it gives us something usable. At this stage, we have several pieces: the coffee beans and the preparation shot and the speaking barista. Now we need the final assembly. So folks, I asked Dolly to combine the clips into one finished coffee shop promo. I keep the instructions simple. Connect the shots with smooth transitions, keep the warm cinematic style, use a clean commercial pace, and make the final result feel like a short ad for social media. The platform starts assembling the video, and once it's ready, we can preview the final result.
The secret to a perfect brew is patience and precision. And those the patience and know it out precision.
The output looks clear for this type of workflow. We have an opening with the coffee beans, a preparation sequence that shows the craft, and a speaking barista that gives the video a more human touch. The promo feels like one complete piece, not just separate AI clips placed next to each other. So guys, Dramaland makes AI video creation feel more like a conversation than a technical workflow. In this demo we created a coffee shop promo with cinematic shots, a speaking barista, lip sync, and final assembly inside one workspace. The biggest advantage is that you don't have to jump between separate tools for video, voice, lip sync, and editing. You can guide Dolly step by step and keep refining the project in the same place. If you want to create AI ads, talking characters, short films, or story-driven content faster, Dramaland is definitely worth testing. Use my invite code and redeem it in the task center to get 1000 free credits while the code is active. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.